How to do SFS on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can do SFS on Snapchat. Now, SFS stands for Snapchat for Snapchat. It is a code used on the platform to request a Snapchat follow back. In other words, it is a way for users to request that their friends follow them back on the platform. When someone writes SFS in a snap or a chat, they are asking their friend to follow them back on Snapchat. Now, how you can do this? Basically, open the app and you'll get an interface like this. Now, create a quick snap, or you can select it from your memory. Now, just tap to add caption, or you can always tap on the text T icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen, and here tap on @ and you can mention someone from here. Now, as you want, whoever you want to mention them, and then write SFS and then tap on send to, and from here add to your story. This is basically done to increase the number of followers or to get a follow back and follow each other. So this way you can SFS on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.